friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a great weekend. Today I'm going to be sharing a review and packing video on the Jujube Midi backpack. So before we get started with today's review and packing video, I want to let you guys know that today's video is in collaboration with one of my dear friends here on YouTube, Kate Schwenke. We're actually both going to be showing you guys how we pack up this exact same backpack today. So as soon as you're done seeing how I have it all packed up, head on over to her channel, which I will of course have linked down below, and you can see another way to pack up this bag. So like I said, this here is the Midi backpack from Jujube, and this color is linen. It is a part of their brand new Chromatics 3.0 collection. I love it so much. It's a really like cream off-white type shade. It's very classic. It's very neutral. I love the rose gold hardware that they decided to pair with this one, and the lining is gorgeous. If you guys want to see a little bit more of this particular collection and the other two colors that were released with this launch, I will put below my video of my kind of favorites from this one, so you guys can see a couple of other bag styles. But this one here, like I said, is the Midi, and it is one of the smaller backpacks from Jujube. So you have like the Be Right Back and the Be Zealous and even the BFF, which are more of their full-size backpacks. And then you have this one, which is more of a kind of middle of the road size, if not a little bit smaller, if that makes sense. I think it's perfect for an everyday bag just for yourself, or even if you have young children, infants, toddlers. It's a great like quick trip bag. You can throw in basically just your basics, things that you need in a pinch, and it's a great little grab and go backpack. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by showing you the back of the bag here. You have a great grab handle here at the top so that you can just kind of grab and go whenever you need. And then on the back of the bag here, it's very simple. You have two straps, no pockets, no like sleeves or anything like that. It's just a very streamlined back here. You have a strap that is easily adjustable and comfortable to the back. And then on the sides of the bag, you actually have two pockets. These are a little bit snug for large water bottles. You can fit like a regular water bottle or a slim baby bottle. You could probably even fit one of the fatter type baby bottles in here, but it's going to push in a little bit to the inside of the bag, so you'll have less room obviously if you have the bag packed pretty full. I tend to use these pockets for just small little things that I need because I'm carrying this bag pretty much just for myself. There is a little bit of extra room in here. It's very like minimalist the way that it's packed right now, so I could easily throw in like a coloring book and crayons or a small little activity bag for the kids if we were going out to eat or something like that. So over here in this pocket, I just have two pens that I use a lot. And then I have gum down in here, a hair tie, and a little hair clip. So that's all that I have in that side pocket. Over here in this pocket, I just have my cell phone. I think it's the perfect little pocket for that. This is an iPhone 11 Pro, and it fits down in here perfectly with no problem, even with my loopy case on it. So that'll kind of give you a good indication on the size of that pocket. On the front of the bag, you actually just have one big pocket, which is great to throw things that you need to grab for quickly. I have my keys in here with my O Venture key ring. I also have tucked down in there my Touchland hand sanitizer in the silicone case that kind of goes around it. It has a little ring. I can attach it to my keys. This is the watermelon scent. It's a really good one. So I have that tucked down in there. I have my hand cream. This is a Big Fat Yummy Hand Cream by Perfectly Posh. I always have one of those with me. I have another little lip balm, a couple of more hair ties, and I think that might be it. Oh no, another chapstick. So, and there's actually a little bit more room down in there if I wanted to throw anything else, but basically that's all I have tucked down in here for the moment. The main opening of the backpack has two zipper pulls, and it goes all the way down to the very top of the bottle pocket. So it's a nice big opening to see everything that is packed inside. I love this gold colored lining. I think it matches the hardware and the color of the bag really well. I just think it's very sophisticated looking. I really like it. So this is basically how I have the inside of the bag packed up. You don't have any pockets or anything on the front here of the bag. You just have some pockets here on the back of it. I'll pull out what I have in the main bulk of the bag, and that way you'll be able to see a good clear picture as to the pockets in the back here. Right here on top, like in the front, easy to grab, is my wallet. This is a wallet by Limea in the color Moody. It's really pretty kind of purple color. I've done a full review on this one. I can link it down below for those of you that want to see it, but it has a spot in the back for my ID and then card slots on the inside for all my cards. It's a great little wristlet to just kind of grab and go if I just wanted to take this by itself. So I have that standing up vertically on the inside there. Then right over here tucked to the side, I have an old eyeglass case by Jujube. This is a B Shady. And inside here, I actually have my sunglasses. I'm wearing my eyeglasses at the moment, but I'm able to put my sunglasses and my eyeglasses in here, which is why I love this case. It's a little bulky, but I really like that it's hard and it has a little clip on it and I can attach it to whatever I need. But this is an oldie but goodie. I'm not sure that you can buy this one anymore. The last thing standing up in here is my planner. This is the Erin Condren Folio Planner. It has a bunch of different planners and notebooks on the inside there. I'll link below my walkthrough of it for those of you interested on how I have this one set up. This is how the inside of the backpack is structured. You actually have two pockets down here in the front and then another bigger pocket behind it. Now, if you have something in this top zipper pocket, it will kind of bulk up this big pocket here, which is why I have nothing in this one. In the zipper pocket, I just have standing up here, not zipped or anything, so it's really easy to grab. The smallest pouch in the 12 little trio set. This is awesome because it's mesh, so it's a little different than any other pouch that I have. I like to use it as a little on-the-go med kit. Even if I don't have the kids with me, I think it's easy to just have this in my bags in case I need it. It just has a bunch of little like Band-Aids and Neosporin medicine, like travel sewing kit. There's hair ties. I have my like healer stick in here for any like dry skin issues or anything like that. Q-tips, eyeglass cleaner, all of that. All of the little things inside here. And it keeps it really, really thin and compact. I can kind of see what I need on both sides of it. So I really like this little pouch. It fits perfectly inside that pocket. Over here in this pocket down here, I actually just have a package of tissues. And then I have my Packed Party external little charger thing that you guys see in all of my videos. It's attached to my Limea coin purse, which is over here in this pocket. And inside here, I actually just have my studio earbuds. I think this little leather coin purse is the perfect little case for it. I'm able to just pop my earbuds inside there. And then I can also throw in the little charging cord for them. If for some reason they die when I'm out, I can plug it into my car or whatever. So I just have those two things attached inside that pocket down there. So there you have it. That is everything that I have packed up for me inside this Midi backpack. I'll give you guys kind of one last look of the inside without anything in there. And then I'll go ahead and zip it up and give you guys one last look at the outside of this bag. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I will have the blog post linked below, which will have links to everything that you need from this video and maybe other videos that were referenced. If you guys have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to leave them below. I will talk to y'all on my next video.